even if I don't get to see my child, because I must worry about my child's well-being.
So are you so you don't even receive child support?
From who?
From the father of your children?
No.
At all?
They're all useless.
No way.
All of them. Well, except for one. If he was here, trust me, he would have been a responsible father, very hands-on. Senzo was a very hands-on father. He did everything he could to be there for his children, not just my children. But the other two, useless.
So are you taking care of 3 children alone with no child support at all from the fathers?
No.
You haven't sought for child support yourself?
I will not do that. Remind you on how to be a dad. Remind you that you have a seed at my house. Remind you that your child needs a roof and needs resources for education. I must remind you. You should know that.
Wow.
These are basic things that one is supposed to know. So I'm not going to waste my time where I should be working. No, dude, I have more important things to do with my life. If you feel you don't want to be a father, you don't want to make an effort in being a father, then great, that's your problem.
Wow. Yeah, I'm puzzled. I'm still puzzled, like you in this situation, because like me seeing a clip of Joop saying Kelly is not allowing me to see my kids at all, and be brave on a public format to actually say that.
That nigga is brave with a lot of things. If you really, really, really wanted to be part of your child's life, you would make an effort. Even I would be the one reaching out to his father to say, let's find a way. I can't stand your son because he's a very disrespectful human being. However, I can have a conversation. But even the father halfway through made no effort. So, really,
so what happens now with the conversation with the kids? Do they know who their father is? Like, what happens?
You do. I mean, you have to. They have to know who they are and where they come from. And also, they must be aware that, like, this is your situation.
What do you mean?
Your father is an absent father.
Damn, that must be like crazy on the kids to actually even say something like that to the kids.
Well, I don't think so, but you can't really be upset and be broken about something you've never had.
Or they were never present.
Like, really, so I'm not going to spend my whole day being broken over something I don't know. So I don't know it, so it's great. Oh, he's not here, lovely. Life continues, but also I've created such a very warm home for my children to a point where they don't need anything.